everybody, this is going to be a test canvas, and this is my scrap paints. I just want to get the look of it. And basically what I've got now is I've got my similar color palette as I used for the earth tones or the browns, but I'm using a turquoise. I've added a turquoise from Glidden. So just give me a second, I gotta get my paints mixed up. I'll be back in a second. Let's try this again. All right, so after a very subpar first attempt where I had a bad blow to start with, and then I think my sequencing of paints was not the best, I'm gonna try a round 2 here. Turquoise, bronze, nag, gold. Figure out your Chantilly. Use up the last of that. Alright. Hey everyone, so since I did not mention the colors as I was laying them down, I'll just mention them in voiceover. So that was Glidden's Turquoise. And then my next color down is the Glidden's Iridescent Bronze. And then I've got my combination Glidden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold with Burnt Sienna. And the next color I put down will be the 24 karat gold. And then after that, the remnants of my Prizmpour's Chantilly lace, which was actually getting quite thick by this point. All right, let's wipe out the Chantilly. It's all but gone anyway. I'll also point out here, look how little cell activator I put down. I mean, a little bit goes a long way. So you don't want to saturate down with cell activator because it's going to make a mess. But look at that. Look how much it spreads. It's amazing. Wow, that looks nice. Okay, I'm gonna put these paints away while I wait for the metal to come back. It's just getting too warm. So here I'm gonna double time through the spinning because there was more background noise and just an opportunity to save a little time here. So where I'm pointing is just showing the things I'm wanting to spin off when I spin it the next time. I'll also mention here that the cool thing about that earth tone combination with the bronze and the gold and the quinacridone and burnt sienna and all those colors is that you can kind of plug and play your highlight color. So in this case, I took out the obsidian and put in the turquoise. And you could put in a blue, you can put in a red, You can just kind of mix and match, but have your stability in your earth tones and then highlight a special color. And having a staple color palette also helps in terms of how much paint you need to use. Okay, I think it's spun as far as it's gonna go. There it is. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quickie bloom. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave comments. Take care now, everybody.